sida aragtaan waxaa halkaan maanta noogu yimi magaalada Garowe nagu soo siyaartay wafdi uu hogaaminayo wakiilka u jooga Soomaaliya dowladda Mareykanka Ambassador James Swan iyo delegation hogaaminayo ka socda hay'adaha United States oo Nairobi degan amarkii ugu horeysay oo siyaarad nagu yimaadaan delegation oo hogaaminayo wakiilku annaguna aad iyo aad baanu raalli uga nahay inaanu wixii jira oo danaha Puntland iyo wixii ka jira Soomaaliya oo dhan iyo mandiqada oo dhan aan ka wada hadallo arabadan baa la iska dhaafsaday mowqifkeeduna way isu dhow yahay waa isku mid waqtiga hadda jira Soomaaliya waa ogtihiin dad isku filan maaha waa dad gacanta lagu hayo dal gacanta lagu hayo sidii nabad loogu soo waarta Puntland waa gobol ka tirsan Soomaaliya mandiqad weyn weeye hawlo badan oo amniga ku saabsan oo ay ka shaqaysay iyo horumarkeeda ayaa jira waqtiguna xujaan isu helay inuu xukuumadda iyo ganacsatada barayagsatarka oo kala gedisan labadoo la kulmo wixii dhibaato ah oo jira iyo wixii baahiya iyo horumarka la gaaray iyo amniga suu yahay iyo wixii la kordhin karo inta waa la isdhaafsaday waan la isku waafaqay aad iyo aad baana maqsuud uga nahay siyaarada tan waana soo dhaweynaynaa inay mar labaad nagu soo noqdaan aan wada shaqeyno insha Allah mustaqbalka assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatuh.
Good afternoon. My name is Jim Swan, Special Representative of the United States to Somalia. Very pleased to be here in Garowe, the capital of Puntland, for meetings with President Abdurrahman and other members of his team, as well as some members of the business community. The President and I have had many opportunities to meet over recent years, but I'm very pleased to be here in the Puntland capital of Garowe to continue these discussions. My visit to Garowe comes in the context of the United States dual-track policy, because we see Puntland as key to both elements of dual-track. The first track of our dual-track policy is, of course, to support the Djibouti process and the elements of the Kampala Accord leading to implementation of the roadmap and to a stable government in Mogadishu for the country. Obviously, Puntland is a very important signatory of the roadmap, and we're eager to continue to work with all of the signatories to see a successful completion of the roadmap leading to the end of the transitional government in August of 2012. The second track of our dual track policy is to work further, engage further, partner more closely with regional administrations around the territory of Somalia that have demonstrated that they are improving stability, providing security for the population, providing governance, and creating conditions for reconstruction and development in these areas. And the Puntland administration has been and continues to make progress in those areas. And so we are eager to deepen our partnership with the Puntland administration and the people of Puntland moving forward on this second track of dual track. In that regard, I am pleased that in my delegation that visited today is a senior representative of our Agency for International Development East Africa office who had an opportunity to discuss with the Puntland administration next steps as we look to expand our assistance programs in Puntland in the areas of economic development, youth livelihoods, and community stabilization activities here in Puntland. And we look forward to working very closely with the Puntland administration and with key sectors in Puntland as we plan together how to move forward in these areas. So again, I'm very pleased to have an opportunity to be here in Garowe to underscore both elements of our dual-track policy and to continue conversations that I've had with the President and his team previously. Thank you very much.
TIS program.